Making pasta at home is easier than you might think. Start by making a well in your flour. Add in 2 eggs and salt. Use a fork to whisk the eggs in the well. Once the eggs are whisked, slowly start whisking flour into the eggs. You will slowly see your egg and flour mixture turn into dough. Begin kneading your dough with your hands until a ball forms. Wrap your dough tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Unwrap your dough and cut off a quarter piece. Flatten it out and roll it until it's very thin. Once your dough is rolled out, cut it into your desired pasta shape. Add your pasta to boiling water until it's al dente. You can find more easy pasta recipes on our website.